In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PDF in Camscanner app. We will go from capturing your pages to exporting a clean, shareable PDF. On the home screen, look to the bottom right and tap the camera icon. Position your paper so it's centered in the viewfinder. Good lighting makes a big difference here. Natural light or a well-lit room helps keep text sharp. Hold your phone steady. Keep the page flat and press the shutter button to take the photo. If your pages are already in your gallery, you can tap the import button instead and select the images you want to turn into a PDF. This is great when you've previously snapped pictures or received documents from someone else. After the image is captured, Camscanner usually detects the page edges with a green grid. Drag the corners to line up exactly with your paper's edges and trim out any background. Clean borders lead to a more professional-looking PDF. When you are happy with the crop, tap the next arrow in the bottom right to process it. Now choose a filter to enhance readability. For most documents, magic color boosts clarity and brightens the page, while black and white is excellent for high-contrast text and forms. Pick the one that makes your text look crisp and easy to read. When it looks right, tap the check mark to save the first page. If your document has multiple pages, tap Add or the camera icon inside the document folder to continue scanning. Repeat the same steps for each page. Capture. Adjust the green grid, tap Next, choose a filter, and confirm. Keeping your pages aligned and consistent will make the final PDF look clean and cohesive. When you are done, rename your document so it's easy to find later. Tap the title field at the top of the editing screen and enter a clear descriptive name. Next, tap the Share icon, which you'll find either at the top right or in the bottom menu. From the Format options, select Share PDF, so it's exported as a standard PDF file. To store the file on your device, choose Save to Local or Save to Files and pick a folder you will remember. If you need to send it right away, you can share directly via email, WhatsApp, or cloud services like Google Drive. Your document is now ready to view, print, or submit wherever it's needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.